See all of that dead skin? Here are some reasons why you should consider getting a razor line at your next haircut appointment. However, as a barber, it is my responsibility to give you a disclaimer. If you have sensitive skin, certain skin conditions, and scalp disorders such as psoriasis, or are prone to ingrown hairs, then this may not be the right service for you. Gliding the razor across the skin removes dead skin and peach fuzz, which can brighten the skin complexion. The removed hair exposes the skin in this area, giving it that crispy look. It can also extend the time in between haircuts. When the hair is cut to its lowest point, it takes it longer for it to grow back than compared to using a trimmer. If you get a haircut every week, then you may want to consider getting a razor line every other haircut, as the hair will become more resistant to a trimmer over time. This is why you see people that shave with a razor every day have that 5 o'clock shadow look the next morning. And lastly, removing the dead skin helps promote new skin cell growth to keep it looking smooth and healthy. A razor line is similar to the same service called dermaplaning that estheticians do. Like, share, and follow for more content like this.